Tired of cookie cutter appliances that blend into the background? Ready to elevate your kitchen to new heights? Join us as we explore the world of bespoke appliances. Bespoke appliances are like the couture of the culinary world. They're designed and crafted specifically to meet your unique needs and preferences. Imagine having a kitchen that's not just functional, but also a reflection of your personal style. Bespoke appliances offer a level of customization and personalization that's simply unmatched. From custom finishes and colors to specified features, you can create a kitchen that's truly one of a kind. The process of creating a bespoke appliance is a collaborative one. You'll work closely with designers and craftsmen to bring your vision to life. From initial concept to final product, every detail will be tailored to your exact specifications. Bespoke appliances offer a range of benefits, including an enhanced functionality. This will be designed to meet your specific cooking needs. An aesthetic appeal. Get that stunning centerpiece for your kitchen. An increased property value. You're going to add significant value to your home. And lastly, a unique cooking experience. You'll be able to enjoy your very own personalized culinary experience every time you step into your kitchen. Appliances can come in many forms. Some of the most popular options include custom ranges, hoods, and refrigerators. Investing in bespoke appliances is a commitment to quality, style, and a personalized experience. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen to the next level, consider the world of bespoke appliances. Ready to create your dream kitchen? Contact us today for a consultation. Thank you for watching.